Hey guys, welcome to Matt Tech. Today we'll be learning how to change ringtone on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to change ringtone on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that, after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a three dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us. And after that, on this interface you can see the notifications option available for us just below the chats. Tap on notifications, and over here scroll down until you can find the ringtone option available for us just below the calls. Tap on over there, and over here you can see all of the ringtone available for us on WhatsApp. Choose whichever you like, and after that, that ringtone will be saved to your WhatsApp ringtone. And with that being done, guys, you can see all of these ringtones available for us. You can choose whichever you like, and that being done, you can also choose a particular music. If it's on your device, you can see the way it says the custom. Tap on this device and you will be able to choose the music which are on your device. And with that being done, guys, like previously, just tap to select it and it will be used as a ringtone on your WhatsApp. And with that being done, guys, this is how to change ringtone on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.